1-minute mug cakes in microwave. These mug cakes are great when you're craving for a fast solo sweet treat. These 3 easy mug cake recipes are easy to make, easy to clean up, and are simply delicious. If you will enjoy this video, then please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe us for upcoming recipes. So let's start making mug cakes. First of all, we will be making a chocolate mug cake. For that, take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a microwave-safe mug. Take 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt if you want to. It just helps to enhance the flavor of all the other ingredients. Mix all the dry ingredients first, then start adding wet ingredients. First of all, add 3 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix them well. Once it's mixed well, then add about 20 grams of chocolate chunks and fold them in. Now it's ready to go in the microwave. Just put that in the microwave for 1 minute and job is done. The perfect chocolate mug cake is ready. Serve it warm. You can serve it with ice cream as well. It tastes really delicious. The next mug cake we are going to make is quite soft and spongy vanilla cake. For vanilla sponge cake in a mug, first of all take 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a microwave-safe mug. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Mix them well. Start adding wet ingredients. First of all, add 3 tablespoons of milk and 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence and mix them well. Add few sugar sprinkles, just 1 or 2 teaspoons. Mix them well. You can skip it if it's not available. I'm going to draw few sprinkles on the top as well. And now it's ready to go in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and your spongy and soft vanilla mug cake is ready. Serve it with hot chocolate on the top, or ice cream or whipped cream, or as it is. It's really soft and sponge came out really well. So must try this cake. And let's jump on to the next recipe. Next we are going to make is chocolate brownie mug cake. It's another really quick and easy, soft but spongy cake in a mug. To make chocolate brownie mug cake, first of all take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a microwave-safe mug. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1½ tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all these dry ingredients first before start adding any wet ingredients. Once mixed well, then add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix them well. If you want, then you can add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips as well. Once mixed, then it's ready to go in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and it's done. Serve it warm with ice cream or fresh cream. It tastes really amazing. It's fluffy and spongy. Must try these recipes and let me know which one you like the most. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe our channel. Please make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next recipe video or a playlist from the screen, and to subscribe our channel, click on the icon on the screen or use the link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected, stay safe.